Welcome to the CES 2021 booth. I'm Jonathan Bradley, the product manager for Smart Home and Emerging Categories. You're joining me in our fully built out, fully functional space here in Kohler, Wisconsin. We felt it important this year to still showcase all of our technology products, fully functioning and fully built out in these truly interactive spaces. Throughout this past year, the home has dramatically changed. It's now a gym, a home office, a daycare, even a place for personal retreat and relaxation. As we venture through and I show you the products, you'll be able to see how they make simple moments throughout your day that much better. On display here we have our Crew faucet in matte black. It's an expansion of that touchless and connect line in the kitchen space. It allows consumers that simple touchless activation of the product with different integrations of spray. With that connect functionality, you get app and voice control, the ability to set presets and command them back through your phone or through voice with Amazon, Google, and Apple. Also the ability for monitoring of water usage and leak detection, really providing a seamless experience in the kitchen space. The voice commands that we have implemented in this product are focused around basic on and off, as well as dispensing. So give me a cup, give me a liter, give me a gallon, and then tracking water usage. So you can do things like, Alexa, ask Kohler to dispense 1 cup of water.
Dispensing 1 cup.
Right, so that metered pour, virtually eliminating the need for measuring cups in the kitchen space. And now that we have that metered amounts of water, we also can track water usage at this faucet. So how much water has this faucet used today, this week, this month, this year? And then also give users insight into notifications around leak detection. We launched Sensate and the rest of our connected faucets back at CES 2018. This year we're continuing the growth in the kitchen space, introducing a ceiling mount kitchen faucet. Provides simple touch control with a puck built into the counter. That puck also incorporates temperature control, allowing you to dial up and down the temperature. This allows a simple but elegant solution in the kitchen space. It's meaningful technology. It doesn't have to incorporate an app or voice to still provide a great solution for the customer. Kohler is focused on kitchen and bathroom products, but also focused on innovation in the entire home. This year, we're talking about an evolution of water monitoring. We brought you Sensate and Aquifer the past couple of years, those single source water monitors, and now we're launching a Kohler whole home water monitor in a partnership with Phyn. We're bringing a DIY solution that mounts underneath the cabinet, which gives consumers that top level understanding of water insights as well as granular down to a fixture, and also launching a Pro version which mounts in line with your water main. That Pro version gives the ability to have an automatic shutoff valve in the event a catastrophic leak is detected. Still in that vein of whole home, we're excited to announce a free over-the-air update to our generators partners. Anyone that has the OnQ system today will have the ability to have voice control over their generator in their home. I'm excited to showcase our new Innate Intelligent Toilet. It's a new addition to our Intelligent Toilet offering, and it really rounds out the portfolio nicely. It's our entry-level Intelligent Toilet. But it's entry-level in price, but not from feature set. It incorporates all those features that we know and love: comfort, convenience, and cleanliness. With its automatic opening, its automatic closing, its integrated stainless steel UV bidet wand, heated seat, and blow dryer. Those features that provide a gracious toilet experience. There are some unique features to Innate. It incorporates our ReadyLock installation technology, which makes installation for the homeowner or the pro extremely simple. It also is the only intelligent toilet to incorporate a gravity flushing toilet platform. So you have that trusted Kohler flushing experience coupled with that innovative technology. We're excited to bring Innate to our consumers and really lower the barrier of entry to providing gracious toilet experiences in the bathroom. Here we're focused on 2 touchless products, really delivering on that notion of clean. And clean can mean personal hygiene as well as cleanliness of space. Delivering on that consumer insight of 85% of consumers want automatic or touchless products in the bathroom space. Introducing our touchless toilets. The ability to simply wave your hand over the trip lever to activate that flushing experience. We built a sensor into that trip lever. It still functions as a traditional trip lever if needed, giving consumers that multimodal control. Incorporating that with a DIY bidet seat or heated seat really allows you to build a toilet experience that makes sense for you. Also brand new this year is our Touchless Bathroom Faucets. We're excited to introduce an entire portfolio of them. They'll come in 2 different configurations: the ability to mount a puck, which allows you to wave your hand to start and stop the flow of water, and that'll be a retrofit DIY solution. Also a fully integrated solution which incorporates a sensor above the faucet, really giving consumers the way to incorporate touchless into the bathroom that makes the most sense for them. We're really driving towards this notion where you could walk into a bathroom and use the entire space without touching a single product. Welcome to our wellness bathroom, where we're providing consumers an escape and the ability to relax within their own home. Especially with the changing nature of our home and the fact that most consumers are going to spend more time, with 77% saying they're going to spend more time in their home even after restrictions ease. We want to provide that opportunity to escape within the bounds of your home. Kohler has been playing in this space with many years with our introductions of performance showering and intelligent toilets, and new this year we're talking about our Stillness Bath. Stillness Bath really embodies that notion of relaxation and recharging within the bathroom space. What you see is a design that takes its heritage from traditional Japanese soaking baths. We'll have a version that is just a freestanding bath, which complements our bathing portfolio well in the line of freestanding baths we have now. And then you'll have upgraded experiences that complement our hydrotherapy portfolio. Some of those experiences include the addition of Perfect Fill to create curated experiences for depth and temperature of water. Also the integration of our experience tower, which you see there in the rear, that creates aromatherapy and fog across the water. And then the premium experience, which has this infinity overflow, where the water overflows into the grates, gets reheated, and then circulated back into the tub, creating that continuous flow of water. The benefit of IoT is the interconnection of all of those elements and the ability for Kohler Connect to create curated journeys for our customers, really promoting relaxation and wellness within the bathroom space. Thank you for joining us in our virtual CS experience. To learn more about these products and others, visit kohler.com/smarthome.